Assalamu alaikum students. So today we'll start new chapter, that is statistic. So if you're talking about the statistic is actually what how to deal with the how you collect the information, how you present the collected information, then how you will analyze it and interpret it of numerical data. Or you can say numerical information. Like here I say that information, but in terms of the statistic we should say data. So you can say terminology here. What's the data? So data is actually what data it is the set of information in the form of numerical figures known as data, and there are the two types of data, that is primary data and secondary data. Primary data means when you collect the data by yourself, you go like suppose you like suppose I told you that you have to collect the information that how many family members are there in your colony. So what you will do, you will go to each and every house near in your colony, and then you will ask. So because you collected by yourself, that is known as primary data. Here it is written, the data collected by an investigator himself with a definite purpose is known as primary data. Okay. And primary data, this is actually more reliable. Why? Because this is original form. Okay. And then we have a secondary data. Secondary data means you got information, you get information, numerical figures like from newspaper, from magazines, from television. So when you get newspaper from any other, so when you get information from any other source, that is known as secondary data. When your data is from any other source, is known as secondary data. So these are the two, you can say, terminologies, which is terminology mean terms in terms of like terminology. Actually, it is what it is actually how naming how you pick the name, and it depends. Like statistics is another branch. So here the terms is also different. Now then next we have frequency. Frequency means that number of the times of a particular observation occur. Like for example, in your colony there are five families which are having seven members. So seven will be the frequency. Because the number of the time is you can say it is repeated. So the number of the times of particular observation occurs is known as frequency. Okay, then we have a range. Range means what? Range, the highest value minus the lowest value is known as your range. Now let's have a look on frequency table. Frequency table, there is one group for frequency table, there is another that ungrouped distribution table. So in ungrouped distribution tally, or you can say table, you are not doing this type of grouping. Okay, like just writing like 842, 845, like this you are writing, and then you are making your tally mark that you have done in fifth class. But in group distribution table, or you can do group frequency distribution table, you can see here so many numbers are there. Well, okay, but what we did, we divided into the class interval. Like the smallest here, I think it is 810. So we give the class size. We give the size. Class size is what? The size between these. We give the class size 10, 10, 10. So 810 to 820, 820, 830, 830 to 840, 840, like this we did. And then we count here in this class what which thing you will include, which thing you will count. 810, 811, 812, 813, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18, 19, 820 you will not count. 820 you will count in next one category. So this is how you will do this grouped frequency distribution table. Tally marks, like number of the workers are three, so you know tally marks that is represented by this one stick. So three stick you will make. Six if it is there. Five, there's a set of five sticks in tally marks. Okay, one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, and then five. This is the actually the, you can say, representation of the tally marks. So like this you are supposed to do this exercise 36.1. So let's start this exercise 30.1, and here I'm doing question number 4. The height of 20 students were recorded as under 128, 148. This is actually your, you can say, representation. So like this it is given. So what they actually they told that prepare frequency distribution table with 5 as a class size, with 5. So it is start from 125. 125 is the smallest. Okay, so 125 to 130, 130 to 135, 135 to 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150. Now we have 125 to 130. That means you will include 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. This only you will include. So after counting from here, we got this as 4, 6, 7, 2, 1. Now tally marks we will make 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because 5 pair is there in tally marks. One pair is having 5. stick, and one is slightly tilted. One, two, three, four, slightly tilted, five, six, seven, then two, and then one. So like this, you will make your frequency distribution table.